Hello kids! Today we are going to learn number 6 and do some fun review activities. Straight neck, big round tummy. Hat on top, 5 looks funny. Look at the lemons, 6 lemons. Number 6. Now let's do some STEAM activities. S. Tell the children that many insects like ladybugs and ants have 6 legs. T. Listen the name of 6 carefully while watching the video. E. Make the number 6 using Play-Doh. A. Dip your finger in your favorite watercolor and trace the number 6. M. Search thing in your surrounding which are 6 in counting. Excellent! Now let's do some review activities. Count the pictures and trace the numbers given in the boxes. Look at the lions. 1, 2, 3. 3 lions. Trace number 3 in the box. Look at the duck. 1 duck. Trace number 1 in the box. Look at the parrots. 1, 2, 2 parrots. Trace number 2 in the box. Look at the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges. Trace number 5 in the box. Look at the hamsters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hamsters. Trace number 4 in the box. Great job! Now let's move to the next activity. Tick the group with 5 apples. Look at the 4 boxes filled with red apples. Let's find the group that has exactly 5 apples and give it a big tick. Excellent! Now let's move to the last activity. Count the objects and match with the correct number. Look at the groups of objects on top and the numbers at the bottom. Look at the little ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ants. Match them with number 6. Look at the cute paint brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paint brushes. Match them with number 4. Look at the happy monkeys. 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys. Match them with number 3. Excellent! See you next time. Goodbye.